I am making today with my mom in her kitchen. We're making our fruit ketchup or our chutney, and we make that once a year with our fruit and our veggies from our garden. So we have some tomato here, 6 big tomato from our garden. We have 6 pears. There's 7 peaches, 7 onions. We have 3 sticks of celery, 6 apple, and we have our beautiful capsicum or peppers from our garden, all different colors and shapes. And there's a little bag here of spices that we've put together. I'll tell you all the ingredients that are in there. This is going to go inside the pot with all those fruit and veggies to make fruit ketchup for the winter. So now we're going to go and do some chopping. Chop, chop, chop all of this, and we'll get back to you. So we finished all our chopping and ready to put it all in the pot, and it's going to simmer for a few hours. So let's just do that. Starts with our tomato in the pot here. Voila, we have all that much onion all in, and we have some apple in the pot, and here are the pears. We have 6 pears, peaches. We put our celery, 3 sticks of celery. And then we have our beautiful peppers from our garden, green, yellow, red. It's going to be pretty when it's all done. So we have here 1.5 cup of vinegar, white vinegar. We put that in, and we have 3 cups of brown sugar in the pot. All we have to add now is 2 tablespoons of salt. So I measure like this, 2 tablespoons. and of course a little bag of spices. So this little bag of spices here, it will go in the pot, and it's tied up like this. We buy it already ready at the supermarket, ready with all the spices in there. Let me tell you what's in it. We have mustard seeds, coriander, we have bay leaves, dill seeds, cinnamon, there's ginger, allspices, red pepper, black pepper, and cloves. And it goes in the pot. It's gonna taste delicious. So it's all ready to go on the stove to simmer for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. With all the goodness in that big pot, it's full up to here. So it's gonna be nice and very sweet and very tasty. So can't wait to have a try of the finished results. Et voila, we have our fruit ketchup, and we have 10 jars. They're already in the jars, 500 ml jar, and it's still very, very hot. So because we just put it in there immediately and put the top on. This is a canning jar, but we don't need to go and boil it again because it's really, really hot, and it's got lots of vinegar and it's got lots of sugar as well. So just close it really tight, and that's it. It's gonna just go in on the shelf for the whole winter. Now it is really beautiful. Of course, I tried already, but it's lovely. You can see all the peach here, and there's the onion, there's the tomato, everything is in there, and it tastes really sweet. I'm trying again. You can eat that. It's like a dessert. Really nice and sweet. Perfect. It's beautiful, and it's sweet, and it's delicious. Bon appétit.